of this quote, right? Here it is. Mindset is what separates the best from the rest. Mindset is what separates the best from the rest. But what does that really mean? When astronauts are faced with a predicament when they're outside of their space station, do they stay calm or do they freak out? When Navy SEALs are underwater and maybe they're being attacked, do they stay calm or do they freak out? When CEOs face crazy stress in their worlds because the economy is shifting or interest rates go up or the political climate changes or something like the coronavirus happens, do they freak out or do they stay calm so they can respond? I think you probably agree that highly successful people that are trained to stay calm so they can respond. So the question is, how do you train yourself to stay calm when there's chaos, crisis, uncertainty, unpredictability? And the answer is, you practice. You practice staying calm. There's something that I learned many, many years ago called the razor's edge. And the razor's edge is that fine line between panic and certainty, panic and calm, stress and calm. And what if stress and anxiety and panic and uncertainty and unpredictability was on the right side of this imaginary line on the razor's edge, and calmness and certainty and confidence and focus was on the left side of this imaginary razor's edge line? Could you learn to focus on both? Could you learn to flip-flop between the two? You see, having the mindset of success, a mindset of the best, doesn't mean that you don't see the things that are not working, that you don't see the crisis at hand, that you don't see all the things that could go wrong. You do see it, but you don't get emotionally attached to it. Instead, you get emotionally attached on focusing all of your energy and attention on the solution. So a lot of people that don't do as well in life as they could, they're focusing on the problem. The razor's edge, that mindset of the winners, is recognizing and knowing the problem exists, but taking your energy and attention on solving the problem. Some people think of what's happening in the world and that's happening to them, and other people say, here's what's happening in the world, here's how I'm going to navigate through this so that I become stronger, I achieve the goals and dreams that I want. And they have this relentless pursuit towards how I can because I must versus why I can't. And this is the razor's edge. This is where mindset really does separate the best from the rest. It's not skill. There's a lot of people with skill who get focused and sucked into the problem. And there's other people that recognize the problem and then flip and find the solution. The faster you are able to see both problem and solution and then take action on the solutions, the faster you start to train your mind to see both and then focus on what it's going to take for you to do, for you to feel, and how you need to behave in order to win no matter what. And I don't care whether it's financial success you want, relationship success you want, health success you want, it makes no difference. The people who succeed, the 5%, focus on solutions. They focus on that razor's edge that separates the best.